Hi everybody, I'm Shannon, and today I'd like to show you this charming card kit that is part of Stampin' Up's Sale-A-Bration offering. What does it mean to be part of the Sale-A-Bration offering? It means that you can't buy these items, you can only earn them with a qualifying purchase. These are special items, and the Precious Parcels card kit is no exception. So here is the finished card kit. You get 2 different designs, 4 cards of each design, and then 8 matching envelopes. This kit was designed to help you send kind thoughts and love to some of your people. And the best part is you can create these adorable pocket cards in just minutes. Included in the kit, you have the 8 pocket cards, 4 of the 2 designs, and 8 pieces that go inside of the pockets, which I'll show you in just a minute. Again, 2 different designs. The 8 envelopes, and then all of the other things that you need. The greetings, little paper clips, and a couple of other embellishments. Once you have the kit, the only other thing you need is a pair of scissors. You're probably starting to see that this kit would be great for anyone to assemble as well as to receive. There are 2 sheets of greetings that are included in the kit, and these greetings come in English, French, and German, so you can take your pick. I'm going to show you how easy and fun these cards are to assemble. Don't miss out on getting the Precious Parcels card kit. It's available for a limited time only and free with a qualifying order. So contact your demonstrator today or place an order at stampinup.com. Thank you. Bye.